In 2025, we're entering the AI gold rush. And just like the original gold rush, most people are grabbing shovels and digging randomly, hoping that they're gonna strike it rich. And that's exactly what's happening with dropshipping right now. Beginners are burning weeks building stores manually, guessing on products, writing ads from scratch, and wondering why they're broke. But if I had to start over from zero today, I wouldn't grab a shovel. I'd sell the tools that everyone else is using to dig. And in this video, I'll show you the exact AI power system that I'd use to go from $0 to $10,000 plus per month, even if you're starting from absolutely nothing. Because in this gold rush, the ones who win aren't digging. They're using AI tools that build stores, test products, and scale automatically. You see, the old way of building stores was spending weeks trying to piece together different themes and apps, dealing with technical nightmares, and ending up with amateur-looking stores in the end. And well, that's wasted time that we can't afford. But my goal is to scale back to at least 5 figures quickly, starting from zero. And the only way we can solve this is by leveraging AI. And listen, if you're not using it, you're already behind every competitor who is. Now, we're gonna be using a tool called the AI Store Builder for this step, which is also what I personally use for creating all my stores as well. Now, the first thing that you wanna do is go ahead and open up their website from the link right below this video. And listen, you might want to stick around because I have a special deal for you later on that you will not want to miss out on. So after clicking that link, go ahead and click on build your free store and then go ahead and enter in your details. Once you completed that step, this next screen is telling you that you need to pick a niche. In here, you can pick whatever option works the best for you, but for this example, I'm gonna go with pets. Now after that, you need to go ahead and choose a banner for your store. And listen, this is your store, so you can fully customize this anytime that you want later on. But I'm gonna go ahead and go with these two for now. And now we wanna go ahead and create a Shopify account. So we're gonna go ahead and click on Access Shopify, and it's gonna automatically direct you to their website. And as you can see, Shopify is offering you a free 3-day trial and your first 3 months only being $1 each if you access it through my link. So definitely make sure that you take advantage of that. But for now, let's go ahead and enter in your email to start the free trial. Next, go ahead and create a Shopify account and then answer the questions based off of your specific niche. Now, once all of that's out the way, you're gonna be asked to go ahead and choose a plan. Now, I would recommend choosing the basic plan as it will have everything that you need to create and scale your first store. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose on that option. Then from here, go ahead and enter in your payment information and your account's gonna be fully set up. So once that's done, let's go ahead and navigate back to the store builder and click on done. Then go ahead and enter your website URL to link it with Shopify and then go ahead and click on done again. Now from here, we need to go ahead and finish linking it with the Shopify account. So go back to Shopify and then install the store builder app. And now we're just gonna go ahead and click on install and you're gonna be fully set. All right, so next we're gonna be picking our store type. Just choose the free beginner store option as this is gonna have everything that you need to get started. Then go ahead and click on continue. And then from here, now we're gonna start customizing our store. And the AI will do this part automatically. So just sit back and watch your store get built in seconds. Now, before we continue, I'm currently running the Auto Ecom $100,000 challenge, where I'm personally helping people reinvent themselves with the online business in just 90 days using AI automation. So if you're serious about scaling fast, the link is right below this in the description. Now moving on, it's gonna ask you to register for AutoDS, but you can go ahead and skip this part for now. And with that, your store is live. So let's take a look at the initial result. So if we come back over here on Shopify and refresh the page, you're gonna see that your online store has now officially popped up here. And if you click on it, you're gonna go ahead and see the current version. Let's go ahead and move on to the next crucial part to fully optimize your customer journey, which is through the design, meaning that your store is following these key components: white, black with one accent color, as well as effective copywriting. But without just talking about it, let me go ahead and show you how to get it done. So now that you're on your store design page on Shopify, come over here and click on theme settings, then colors, and then from here, you can customize the brand colors on your entire store at once. Now for accent color 1, I'm going to choose this bluish color right here. Next, let's quickly go to sections and then go ahead and change the color of the horizontal ticker. So just click on it and then choose accent 1 from the color scheme on the right. Now let's scroll down and change the divider color here to the accent 1 as well. Next, let's go to our product page, click on add section, and then add the multi-row feature. And I'll now be showing you how to fully optimize your website's copy for an even better customer journey. Now, one of the best ways to do this is by not reinventing the wheel. So let's come over here and actually open up one of our competitor stores, copy all this text, open up ChatGPT, and we're just gonna ask it to recreate the description. And as you can see, it only took a couple seconds. And now that we have this fresh text, let's go ahead and paste it into our own store. And then you can actually do the exact same with the headline and other features of the page too. Now just repeat this exact process to every element and text box in your store and you'll be all set. Moving on from here, the next step is that we want to add features and benefits showcased clearly to make customers want to buy our product. Your job here is you're basically just trying to make it as easy as possible for a customer to get their questions answered right away so that there'll be no roadblocks to making a purchase. Most customers always have questions before buying, but if they can't get instant answers, they will leave and they will buy from competitors instead. Traditional customer service requires expensive staffing 24/7, but customers shop at all hours. And when they have questions at 2 a.m. with nobody there to help, that's a lost sale that you're gonna lose out on. And that's where Amakasi comes in. It's an AI-powered customer service tool that answers questions instantly and converts browsers into buyers while you sleep. Let me go ahead and show you how to set it up. So first off, let's go ahead and open up amakasi.ai from the link right below this video. Then copy the URL of your store and then paste it in Amakasi. Next, it's gonna ask you to create an account. So pause the video and do that before you move on to the next step. Now, once you're fully signed up and you're in, Amakasi will automatically generate an AI-powered demo voice for your store. You can also customize your avatar to your liking, but right now we're gonna go to skip that. Also, you wanna make sure to always test out her voice over here, as this will be one of the most important features of this tool. Now, once everything looks great, go ahead and click on next, and then you'll be directed to customize the design. And the main thing you're just trying to do here is make sure it matches your store. No need for any type of flashy design. From here, go ahead and click on next, and you'll be directed to the last step, which is training your agent. Here, you can essentially add in resources and instructions to make the results as accurate as possible. And listen, I do want to emphasize that here you should be taking your time and making sure that you nail this part, because the quality of this feature, it really all comes down to how much information that you have to give it. For example, I will add a question with an answer over here so you can see how to do it. And then once you're happy with the result, go ahead and click on next, and you're gonna be fully set up. Now, Amakasi will ask you to choose a plan, but you're gonna get your first 2 weeks completely free of charge. You can then move on with the interim plan, as it will have everything needed to start out. So next, let's go ahead and enter in our details and then start our free trial. Now, moving on, you wanna go ahead and click on add image to your site from the upper left corner. Copy the code snippet, click on connect to Shopify, and then install. Now from here, you just want to go to click on the enable theme extension button and then turn it on for your Shopify store. Once that's done, go back to your previous page and follow the instructions to finish your setup. Then you want to go back to your online store, refresh it, and you should see the AI assistant widget pop up right here. Now make sure that you do test this thing out. You ask as many questions as possible, you see how it performs, and you feed it more resources if needed before actually going live. So with that, you'll have your AI assistant set up and ready to go. And make sure to go ahead and check out Amakasi through the link in my description below, as this is one of the most powerful tools for making your customer journey as seamless as possible. Now, once your store is set up, you're going to need to know how to find products that are trending and have the potential to sell fast. AutoDS is going to be the tool for that. So make sure you take advantage of the 30 days for $1 trial that you saw earlier in the store builder. But what makes a product a winner? Well, it needs to be on trend, it needs to be highly searched, a problem solver, and high quality. But then the next question is, how do you find winners today when everything can feel so oversaturated? Well, for that, I'll share my 5-step system that will help you find potential winners every time, with step 1 being finding a trend using Google Trends. So what you want to do is open up their website and then search for a product that caught your eye. Then from here, go ahead and change the time period to 5 years and just look at how it's been performing throughout the years. For example, this Gorilla Bar has been gaining popularity this year, which is a great sign that it's trending. Now, after validating the product and seeing that there's real demand behind it, the next step is to head over here to the meta ad library and type in the product. From here, you can check out how well competitor ads for this product have been performing, as well as checking out other people's listings. So let's go ahead and choose a random one, and then we're gonna go to click on shop now. Now, to check whether or not that the product is performing, I do like to use an extension called SimilarWeb, and you can download it straight from the Google extension store. So let's go ahead and open that up and look at the data. And as you can see, this product is already getting around 2.9 thousand monthly visitors, which is a green flag for me. So utilizing this tool, you want to go back to meta ad library, open up about 3 to 5 competitors, and just figure out who is driving the most traffic. And that should be the person that you're basing yourself off of. So now that you know how to build your store, optimize the customer journey, spot winning products, and know who your biggest competitors are using the methods I just showed you, you now are fully equipped with the basics that you need to start dropshipping the right way in 2025. Now listen, I'm not here to overwhelm you with information. If I had to start dropshipping today from nothing, these are the first 2 parts that I would spend my time tackling, which is the store and the product, because they're going to be the foundation of your success. But here's the thing, finding and testing winning products, it takes a lot of time and effort, which is something that you may not have at the moment. So if you really want to get your store up and running with proven winners today, I'd advise you to check out my video on the top 10 products that are crushing it this fall. These are handpicked by me with the goal of getting you to 5 figures per month by the time that fall is around. And if you follow the steps in this video correctly and put real effort into dropshipping, there's no way that you cannot accomplish this. The video is linked in the description, but you should also see it on the screen right now. So I hope to see you there. And with that, this is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.